To stencil your Nordic Winter Lodge cookies, start by loading the cookie stencil into the Stencil Genie. Line the stencil up over the top of your cookie, then get your Air Genie. Load the fuchsia food coloring into the airbrush and test the flow rate on a paper towel. Adjust the airflow before placing the cookie magnets and using your stencil. Use a chopstick to hold the stencil flat to the cookie surface. Hold the airbrush straight down as you color your cookie. By airbrushing glue over the fuchsia, you can create purple lettering. Shake things up by airbrushing multiple colors. Start with blue, leaving room for fuchsia. Overlap the colors here and there for a multicolored pattern. Other stencils in this kit come with 2-part overlays. Just switch out the stencils and airbrush colors. Make sure to rinse out the Air Genie airbrush between colors. Here we use a little silver Amerimist over the fuchsia for the whipped cream. Try out all the designs in this kit for your whole batch. For more information, visit confectioncouturestencils.com.